Only a bad driver. Yo.
What can the best mechanic in LS do for you? Should be running better than ever.
Should I really, guys?
Can't go wrong with a little extra under the hood.
Yeah, don't call me trash because I haven't played on this account in a while. Olivia. You start hitting me? You start hitting me and don't expect chopped? What? Oh, Tank, I see you getting better. I see you. Now you finna get this work, boy. Come here, Tank. Come here, boy. I like that. Keep that same energy, boy. I like that, boy. Keep that same energy. Bring that booty up. Tanker, you're not better than me. So if you think you are, you're not. I'm just saying. General. Yo, do not try me like that. You trash if you do. Yeah. You trash. Let down, boy. You stupid. Hey, whoever's in my broadcast, text me so I can see who you are if I know you. Come on. Oh, I'm tripping. Hello, get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. You're mean. Yo, who's watching my live stream? Text me. Tamco, do not try to be like that. You is trash, bro. Well, I got 2 people in my stream. Come on, this is a... stupid. Hell no. You ain't chopping me, boy. Get your butt naked eating self out here. You ain't chopping me, boy. Lay your booty down, boy. Yo, 4 people coming into my shot live. Come on, Tank. What you waiting for? Yeah, boy. What, bruh? It just lagged. What? You're lagging. Yo! Yeah, 'cause you know how to run around top of you. Abortion. Abortion. Tanker, you're not better than me. Damn. You're not winning this game, you know that, right? Bring that booty up, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I bet. Come on. Yeah, boy. I like that. Hell no, you ain't chopping me. Oh yeah, you garbage. Oh yeah, you garbage. You garbage. I haven't wear this outfit in a long time. Butt naked booty, boy. If I would have slapped you. Psych. You are not catching me. Ah! No! 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 Yo. Chop. Damn, that one you know chops. I want my chops. Meow. Meow. Hello, yeah, I'm changing my outfit. Oh my. Jump this boy. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that, boy. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that, boy. I like that. I like that. Keep that same energy. Keep that same energy, boy. Cause I'm finna take it from you. Hey, Anzar. Finally, you came home. You finally came home, right?
Just left yesterday.
Wait, you serious?
Just left yesterday.
Oh, snap.
Huh?
Wait, you was in mommy's room?
I was right here when you kept getting up to get dressed and all that. Man,
Oh,
early.
yeah.
Put your little school clothes on to play the game at 5 o'clock in the morning. You forgot? You forgot?
No.
So why you say
I
I
thought-
wasn't here?
Wait,
I was the one who...
that was yesterday?
Yeah, the first day of school was yesterday.
Yo, I think I missed it.
I think you're losing your mind.
No, I thought today was the 3rd. Oh, you lucky boy. You lucky boy. You lucky boy. Come here. Huh? Trying to run off with a runaround top. Get off me. Get off me. Hold up. What you say? I don't know. I had to do my homework and I went to play my game. Yeah, I finished it. Yeah, boy, I told you, you can't defeat me. You can't defeat me. I haven't used this account in a long while, and you still can't defeat me. On game, on game, on game, on game, on game. Yeah, boy. I like that. Keep that same energy. Keep that same energy, boy. Gonna lock this up. Yo. I'm gonna start getting used to this account, guys. I'll be more better. La 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 la. But in the sun, she wanna be burning. I like that. I like that.
You don't want to go outside?
Do you go outside? Hold up, I can't even go, Lay down, boy. Yo, I need to get the black joggers. Real talk. I need the black joggers. Come on. Come here. Get closer. Get in the ring. Get in the ring. Get in the ring, because you finna get beat in the ring. Get in the ring. Get in the ring. Get in the ring. Get in the ring. Yeah, boy. Ooh, that was a crazy. I got low health. That's why you gonna kill me. I got low health. What happened? Huh? Why? On the bike? I told you stop riding like that. Stupid, stupid, stupid. I never did that in my life. The stupid. I said no. You could catch him. Hey, we gonna fight in here. Nope, but you is getting punched though. Getting futures. But you should have just chopped me right there, yo. But that was an easy chop. Easy chop. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. Oh, you like glitch running, right? Oh, yeah. Yeah. You like glitch running, right? Get in this ring right now. Get in this ring. You finna get beat. Get in this ring. Get in the dang ring. Get in the ring. I'm all the way over here. Get in the ring. Ooh, that would have been a chop. Just playing with y'all. I ain't going outside today. Eat on my tit. I'm in on every day. We gonna pull up a star. We gonna do a ride in a race. I'm gonna take it to trial. Nah, beat the game. Oh my god, bro. Get away from me. You ain't catching me until I get full health, boy. You're not catching me until I get full health. You're not catching me. Hit and run. Stupid. Hit and run. Stupid. Told you ain't catching me. Yeah, keep that same energy. Are you okay? Are you okay? Why? Are you okay? Look at this. All of my baby. Open his ring. Mom! Oh, wait. Yo, chill out, you beastin'. Damn. Beastin'. Now you finna get chopped. Yeah, first one. Apple TV. Spin me. Oh yeah, come over here now. I was doing something. Come over here. Don't run. Don't run. I'm coming after you, boy. I'm coming after you, boy. I'm tired of you, boy. I'm tired of you, boy. I'm tired of you, boy. Come here. I ain't playing with you, boy. I'm playing with you. Stop playing with me. You garbage. You stupid garbage. You're garbage, boy. You're garbage, boy. You're garbage. Stupid. You stupid for that. Come on. Oh, I messed up my stumble chop. Yeah, come on. Yeah! I like that! Sorry. Yo. Just playing around. Come on, jump in, jump in, jump in. I'm not trash. I'm gonna let you jump in. You ain't. You ain't finna disrespect me. You're not. Chop. I just chopped you. Boy. Just chop out of nowhere. And I'm at low health, so you can easily kill me. Get away from me. Coming after you. Get away from me. Still hit you. Still hit you. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Still hit you. Still hit you. I'm at 1 health, boy. I like that, boy. I don't know your thing was she like that. Ooh. But you better kill me, bro. If you don't kill me right now, you're trash. No. You stupid! Nah, I'm playing. I'm psyched. Come on, jump the dang fence, you butthead. Look at you. Let me stop. Oh yeah, lag running is fun, right? I ain't gonna stop glitch fighting. I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna stop, boy. I ain't gonna stop. 1400, but you know, teleport. 6'9", when you know we talking, teleport. Chop down, we gon' let that go. Let it blow, let it blow, let it blow. Get the skew, get the skew, get the skew. 2 to 3s, then I pull up to you with him. Let it go, you be let it go. Tired of you. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. Mom, when you come home, can you get me 1 crab leg cluster? Please. For myself. That's how you ask a mom for a crab leg cluster. Cause she knows how much I love seafood. I watch B-Loves, I watch, what's the name again? Tay and Lou. All of them. Well, not all of them, but some. Booty boy, I'm gonna get at you. Woo, 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 woo. I'm gonna chop you out of nowhere. Swear to God. I'm kidding, God. I'm just playing with you. Swear to God. I can't hear you. Text me only. I can't hear you. Yeah, you can hear me, but I can't hear you. Chop out of nowhere. Huh? I can't hear you. You can only text me. Alright, bye. I could read through your lips. That's how I know how you talking. Hey, Mom, your neck is too sweaty. Your neck is too sweaty. Huh? Oh yeah, I've been finished my work. That's why I'm playing the game right now. I finished all of it. I didn't get stuck on no questions. Okay, bye. Are you gonna get me the cluster? You're gonna stop by if it's on sale? Alright. Bye. Yeah, you better kick me. You better kick me. Yeah. If they got, what's the name again? Oh, crab leg. Bro, do not hop that fence. You is garbage, bro. You're gonna win the game. You're going to win the game, bro. Get out of that, bro. Get out of that. You trash. You trash, bro. I never used that. Bro, get out. Come on, yo. Why you gotta be like that? Oh no. You stupid. You stupid. You better get out. You better get out. You finna get this work. You finna get this work. You better get out. You better get out. You better get out. You finna get this work. Just for acting stupid. Just for acting stupid, you better get out. Yo. I'm dead. Do try to go into. Oh. You try to go into. You try to go into. Try to go into the house and try to kill me, but it didn't work out for him because he still is not better than me, That's all that. Jesus. I got caught doing dumb stuff on a dumb stuff. I will find you, and I will murder you. Hey, don't leave. Don't leave. You left your trash. You left his trash. I made another person rage quit because he trash. I don't wash. I haven't even played on this account since I was bad. But either way, he is trash. So tell me how I walk through the street and I see a bag. I open the bag, I find some money. I hit the dunny, pull up on my honey, drink the honey. But he is trash. Hit it from the bag. Go. Dash. Hit it from the back. Yo, that was lit right there. I ain't gonna lie. That was lit. I just freestyle and a freestyle when I'm on a beat down, beat down. Pull up on your beat down. I can't do that. When it is big, I'm a Jeffrey, and then I have free. I'm a baby that booty that can sleep, but I'm a city. I'm a daddy. Did it? It is daddy. I'm gonna hit that booty. She wanted the booty. She wanted the booty. Booty on the I for the cut around. 2 counts. Get offline. Get alive. Hey, but I'm not a boy. Chop down, we gon' let that go. Let it blow, let it blow, let it blow. Got to score, got to score, got to score. 2 to 3s, I'ma end this broad.